What's up, man? Steve Davis. I'm back with another interesting video. So I'm in Chicago. I've been here for 2 days. Well, it'll be 2 days and some change. I got here real late on Sunday. That don't really count. Then yesterday and today. But I'm leaving tomorrow. So y'all probably get this video 2 days from now when I get a chance to edit it. This weekend is one of them work weekends. If not, I would finish J-Rock truck up. I'm gonna jump on his truck and do as much as I can during the week. Finish it off if it ain't finished. That's Saturday. Man, Cass, the one who I'm always talking to, Casper, he wasn't even there. He told me he might not be there, but thought I'd be able to catch him in time, but I didn't. So I ain't really getting no footage of the shop, man, but just really what was outside, and that was one side of outside. Man, they got so many cars out there, bro. So many land the house. A thing that would really stop me from being up here, bro, is the salt. All the boxes got rust. A lot of these cars ain't got no floor, all kind of stuff like that. The way that the cars deteriorate, it's just painful to see. You can have the art and skill, you know, to fix that stuff, but jeez, I wouldn't even be having my. That's what I been saying about the shop, man. While I was trying to get the shop, I wouldn't even like drive my car in the salt, bro. Like old school, I wouldn't. From now on, so.
Alright, bet.
Alright. Alright, man. They just called me back. So he's heading back to the shop. But I'm finna meet with Aero Coupe Cley real quick. Check out the box. Got right behind me was the police, and I ain't even noticed. And you know how they be looking up and down and typing on computers and all that. I was like, man, come on, not today, please. So I seen he was about to turn, cause I was about to turn. I just turned my signal off and went straight and turned to a gas station. And then he go into the gas station after he make the opposite turn as me. So I just sat in the gas station for a second, and he left, and I left. I don't be playing them police game, bro. They be on some other stuff up here. I ain't even lie to y'all, man. Whew. This ain't gonna do it for real, man. Y'all stay tuned for it. Put his info right there on the screen. On the Debo'S 26s. And they up under there for real. It's under there. They glad. This looks similar to the metallic that I shot a bike with, man. And it's a lot of metallic in it. But like I said, he said he painted it, but it's still clean for what it is, man. Y'all know when y'all see people cars, this me. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. When you see somebody's car, man, and you be like, dang, it's clean, and the owner be like, man, it's alright. That's what really happened. I'm like, dang, this thing clean, bro. It's alright. Hey, it's clean or it's alright? See? hey, that's what I just said, man. This thing is clean, man. Everybody had their own mindset for their own. Like, it's alright, cause I've been doing the same thing for that blue bike. Everybody, it's alright. I'm on the phone with a disclosed location. I remember this one. First put the rims on, I was like, dang. It's the sound truck. For y'all who don't know, they've been doing this for a while. That's like the first, I'll go back to it. That's one of the first cars that they made like go viral on the internet for the bass. It's been around for a long time. Typhoon been around for a long time. Oh, dang, it's goodies everywhere. It's up my alley, but it got all the parts you need. All the trims, all the everything you need. They got it. Every single thing. What this came out of?
That came out of our truck.
That's a truck, yeah. I seen the L7s. Yeah. Yep. Knocking the window loose. I ain't never seen pictures of it.
Yeah, this motherfucker brand new. All that shit new. Nobody even looked at it. Look, the Phytech brand new, all that, the motor rebuilt, alternator, air conditioner, the MSD box. This car ain't never even been drove. Oh, nobody even, from the paint to the interior brand new, the music brand new, everything brand new. I don't think I got the key. All that shit was custom. Got little pieces that go over there.
Yeah, the couple pounds.
The
VHS.
Yup. Everything in here, look. Look, we did all that.
This shit's
Everything
smooth.
custom. See the rear deck? See the back pieces? Everything. I ain't got the key with me. I had the key. I'll pop the trunk, let you see. And there's some real music in here. You couldn't build this car. You couldn't. If you go up under it, like from the coilovers to the music, to the interior, steering wheel, rim, the motor, trans, the fuel injector system. Oh, you can just add all that up under the roof. Everything in there.
Ain't clean. Steering wheel and everything.
What you think?
Oh yeah, this one official.
Man, I'm trying to tell you, boy, stop playing. You see that brand new exhaust? All that shit is brand new. This brand new money, man. Spent. I got over 30 in this car. I just told you something with the juice. This a no-brainer right here. Like, this a no-brainer. You, man, I got so much shit. Like, unbelievable.
It's 6'3"?
Man, it's 64. Talking about cars, like got so much shit just sitting around. You can't even build all this shit. And it ain't doing no. It ain't like no. We ain't doing no talking, no capping, talking like I do. It's talking like it's just regular conversation like, that you see firsthand. Look, straight as the arrow. Look at it. And a boy SS. Man, I can't even put all this shit together. Like.
Round with 2 felonies, cause we
Soon as I seen it, I was like, this gonna be crazy.
Man, that's a big block, 468 in there.
That's a 750 double.
Yup. Yup. That's a brand new interior. It's an 8 on here.
Man went with baby blue.
Yup. Something different.
Got the extended studs.
I said
Top.
I'll let you take this. So, God. Hey.
Hey, y'all seen, man, that footage. Seen that footage, man. That footage. That was lit. Hey, that's Cass is me at an older age with 5-6 times more cars than I got. Thinking about buying a car now. I can't tell y'all which one. Well, I ain't thinking about it. I'm trying to find a way how to make this happen. But yeah, this gonna be interesting, bro. Last stop. I was supposed to be here yesterday, but I'm pulling up with my boy Tweet. I'm gonna try to get some footage over there, see what he doing. But yeah, man. About to go ahead and ride over there on him. I know he got a tutorial on some choppers, man. I was like, hey, that thing clean, man. I love them chopper, boy. It's like the people who really from Chicago and I'll probably say Texas. You got some people who like Fords, and you got some people who will never let go of choppers. And me, I'm one of them people who never let go of choppers. I don't think I ever sell mine unless I break them, crack them, or something happen to where I can't ride them no more. But I'm always keep them tucked off in the side. Always buy a box Chevy or some kind of old school that it can fit, and it might just need some springs and shocks. Replace that, put some new ball joints so I know I can slap them on and always ride. That's just me though. But yeah, we about to ride over there and get that last little bit of footage. And then shoot. I'll be hopping on the road tomorrow morning. It'd probably be like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll be on my way back to the house. Making great music. Oh nah, I gotta work this weekend. So as soon as I get there, literally, as soon as I get there, I gotta as soon as I get there, man, I gotta go to work, so I can't really do much besides pack and go to work. But it's the first time I came here and I got all the footage that I planned on recording, right? In some. Like Aero Cley, he just seen I was there yesterday and said, hey, let's link tomorrow. I was like, bet.
Take a slight right turn.
Say no more. I'll be there in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But definitely big up to everybody, man. Everybody being safe, doing their thing. Ain't nobody on nothing malicious. You know, it's a lot of people that's like that, bro. And y'all know who y'all is. Them haters and people who be talking crazy. But I ain't gonna speak too much on that. But let me ride about here. Get that last bit of footage. Chop it up with my boy. And he's supposed to move down to Georgia, man. We trying to do something. He trying to do something, and I'm trying to do something, which gonna end up in a collab.
In 15 miles,
it'll be more
take exit
y'all
6 onto Burr Street.
That, man.
Cut the line. You get the roof.
Knew I seen some choppers.
Huh?
Hey, I ain't gonna never ever let them choppers go, bro. I know you the one. He one of them people who hate choppers.
No, and fuck those pods, bro.
He be making memes and all that shit.
I like choppers.
I think you be doing it to make people mad.
Yeah, I think that shit up now. I like choppers though, bro. Like anything chop. But it's just.
It's just what he be choppers is Android.
Yeah. Choppers definitely Android. You get this in a couple hours. Top fresh, getting it busting is my favorite. Like, you know, this and that project.
That vert.
Yeah, this motherfucker one can't grab. And the body on it done.
Yeah, I see you got it all prime.
Yeah, you got the body done.
Gotta be.
Blocked that shit out like 3 times, bro. I gotta let shit finish my fish right here. Gonna knock that shit out. Engine bay get painted up under the hood. That's the one that had that candy kit.
Yeah. Had a whole van worth of paint.
And man, that's $2 gallons.
$2,000 worth of paint.
Yeah, his shit shouldn't be, and that's weak.
And man, get me.
Nah, man.
I remember this shit was empty.
Man, you remember it was empty, boy. That shit ain't empty no more. This shit ready for paint. This that Malibu that was motherfucking blue. Like, we finna switch it to green now. Hey, that two-door box going candy with a panoramic.
I ain't never seen so many two-door box Chevys in one day.
Man, you nigga, outside, boy, you don't.
Nigga, I seen goddamn
Boy,
over there on Debo'S Customs in the street, nigga, at least 10. I was
nigga,
like,
10. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably got 5 here.
I was like, jeez.
I got one that's out there that's.
Everything clean though.
You got the peanut butter cups. We gotta clean it up. I'm gonna come finish that shit at night though. I'm gonna come back up here and throw that roof up. Yeah, this shit going. Cause they ain't got no body work, G. This is easy.
What color he going?
White.
White?
Ain't nobody working on this, bro.
Oh, it was already white.
Yeah, it was.
Made him go blue.
And you wanna go back? I guess he was trying to switch it up, but you wanna go back white now. So you already know. Ain't nobody working on this, bro. It's a scuff.
It's quick money right here for you. That man, one day.
Well, a quick 45. Nah, it ain't one day. It's like 2, but shit. You calculate that shit out in 2 days. That's 4,500 plus the materials. It's like 4,000.
Hey, them 26s on the two-door. I don't like he did nothing.
Nah, this shit tough.
Jeez. Yeah, gold paint too?
Gold.
I got two-tone.
What you mean? What you know?
Look at the top. Or the trim up over there.
Oh, damn. That's my fault.
Yeah, two-tone.
Oh, shit. It was a two-tone. Because he wouldn't got this motherfucker from a white dude. See what they did with the jam? They ain't even shoot like all like up in here. That shit still white enough.
Hey, they say, hey, it's good enough, man.
He pointed that out too. He was like, man, just make sure it's right. I said, it's right.